Nairobi.
Kwa dhimbele nyakora mgajwa ng'wang'yo mago mag siasa duond bura mar Wiper ogolo Duonde kendo wacho ni jokenya nitiere kod thuolo kendara mondo migi bag ng'anyo kapo ni twak madhi nyime kind Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance kod Kenya Kwanza ok biketo wach pek mar ngima kaka achiel kuom weche madite report mare. Jotelo mag Wiper wacho ni ok gibi ne jatendgi Kalonzo Musyoka mar puodho report no kapo ni ok omulo yore mag keto ngima obed mayot ne oganda jokenya.
If the cost of living for Kenyans would not go down, that bipartisan talks will never go anywhere. Yeah? So that is as simple as that. Because Kenyans are suffering. Wazazi wanaumia, school fees imepanda, maisha imepanda, kila kitu imepanda, and we cannot afford to continue like this for the next 4 years. Hata kama ni kwa street, hata kama ni impeachment, we have a constitution which is very clear. It gives the mwananchi the powers to do whatever they can do to ensure that their lives is in control and the powers. Yeah? Kama ni street, kama ni impeachment, tutaenda. We have 4 years. We can't afford to continue suffering for the next 4 years.
Na ile ya muhimu, msimamo wetu uko na Wakenya wote. Kenyans have endorsed Dr. Stephen Kalonzo